Let's talk about whether you should be a professional photographer. If you've already made a decision to start a photography business, check out the other videos on my channel to learn more about how to grow your business. This video is for people that are still considering whether they want to become professional photographers. This is especially for people that are trying to choose between becoming a professional photographer and doing something else. If you're new to my content, I'm Adam Radley and I'm the founder of IIMAGINE. This channel is for photographers that want to start and grow their business. I'm also creating a series of videos called 100 Ways to Get Customers for Photographers. If you want to receive alerts when I release new videos, go ahead and subscribe. Okay, let's get into it. So should you be a professional photographer? Let's quickly look at the pros and cons of being a professional photographer. Then let's talk about something more important, which is, what is the best business for you? Not you generally, I'm talking about the best business for you as an individual. Here are the pros. If you enjoy photography, you can make money from something you enjoy doing. If you work for yourself and you have a steady inflow of customers, you can decide which customers to work with and which to avoid, and you can have flexible work hours. You might have the opportunity to travel and meet interesting people. Now here are the cons. The startup costs can be high if you plan to offer photography services. Most customers are not recurring customers. You might have to work odd hours that don't suit you, and your income will likely be inconsistent. Now let's talk about how to identify the best business for you, and let's figure out if it really is photography. I want to address this issue by talking about a concept that I invented called the theory of pi. What is the theory of pi? Pi stands for passion, income, and impact. And this is the simple summary of the theory. If the thing that you're most passionate about and the thing that you do to earn an income are the same, and they also have a positive impact, then you're living in the sweet spot of life. So let's break this down and let's start with passion. Some people have trouble finding their passion, but this is a simple problem to solve. Passion is not a wishy-washy concept. This is one of the central concepts in my TEDx talk. The only reason that people say that they have trouble finding their passion is that they don't know what passion really means. Here's the dictionary definition of passion: a strong feeling of enthusiasm or excitement for something or about doing something, or a strong feeling such as anger that causes you to act in a dangerous way. In summary, the things that you feel passionate about are the things that you feel strongly about. Take a second to let that sink in. So what do you feel strongly about? This is the part where everything gets real. For example, how do you feel about dogs being abused and then locked up in a dog pound and then killed? Some of you feel very strongly about this, and some of you just don't. Some of you feel very strongly about looking like this. Some of you think this is a frivolous goal. Some of you feel strongly about living an environmentally friendly lifestyle. Some of you agree with this in concept, but you don't feel strongly enough about it to want to actually change your lifestyle. Regardless of whether it's global poverty or dancing lessons, everybody feels strongly about something. If you don't feel strongly about the business you're building, you will fail. Why? Because you'll be competing with people that do feel strongly about what they're doing, and they will eat you alive. Why would you start a business that you're not passionate about and compete with people that are passionate about it? What do you think's going to happen? The things that we feel strongly about are the things that define us. And this is the central concept. If someone makes a disparaging remark about the things that define us, it feels like they're making a disparaging remark about us personally, and we won't stand for it. This is why we instinctively leap to the defense of the things that we feel strongly about. In the meantime, if you do feel strongly about the business that you're building, you'll be able to act instinctively so you can make better decisions in less time instead of having to research everything. You'll also spend more time in a state of flow, and that simply makes your day-to-day life a lot more fun and enjoyable. So how strongly do you feel about becoming a professional photographer? If doing something you're passionate about matters to you, I encourage you to watch my TEDx talk about passion. It has more than 1 million views, and I'm sure you'll find it extremely useful. I've included a link in the description. Now let's talk about income. There are multiple ways to generate revenue as a photographer. For example, you can offer your photography services, become a travel photographer and monetize your photography with a blog or a YouTube channel, sell your photography in galleries or on stock image sites, or sell courses about photography. The obvious question you need to answer here is, do you have the combination of photography and business skills required to succeed? Now let's talk about impact. Why does impact matter? The impact that you have on other people or the planet gives you purpose. When you're dead and people talk about your life, nobody will care about anything you did other than the things that had a positive impact on other people or on the planet. When you're having a tough day in your business, and you start asking questions like, why am I doing this? The positive impact you're having on someone will be the answer. So what we're talking about here is finding the sweet spot. The objective here is to find a business opportunity that is in the sweet spot between passion, income, and impact. Some of you might be asking, is this really possible? Let's look at some examples of people that actually live this way. Taylor Swift. She's passionate about her songs. Her songs generate income. The songs themselves provide a lot of enjoyment for people, and for some people, might even help them get through tough times in their lives. Elon Musk. He's passionate about eliminating the use of fossil fuels. Tesla allows him to work on his passion, generate income from it, and have a positive impact on the planet. What about the local yoga instructor? She's passionate about yoga and generates income from it, and the yoga lessons she provides have a positive impact on her customers' lives. So what does this Venn diagram look like for you? Is photography the best business opportunity that enables you to do something you're passionate about while also generating income and having a positive impact? If you're still at an early stage and you're trying to make a decision about whether photography is the right business for you or whether you should pursue something else, this is a good time to work through this exercise. Now, if you have decided to become a professional photographer, but you need to continue working a full-time job so that you can save the money that you need to start your new business, this is what I recommend you do. You should create a blog, YouTube channel, or a podcast about photography. This will help you to get a better understanding of the photography world, establish your credibility over time, learn and improve your skills, build an audience that can become customers in the future, and if you need to raise capital or attract partners, this will significantly increase the likelihood of success. This strategy will also allow you to start building your new business while working a regular job and then transition from your job to your business after your business has grown big enough. So if you have decided that you want to start a photography business, how are you going to generate revenue? You need to offer good products or services, then you need to make a portion of your target audience aware of them, and then you need to convert a percentage of them into paying customers. So how do you do all that? First, I'll be releasing a series of videos about 100 ways to get customers for photographers. So go ahead and subscribe if you want to receive alerts when those videos are released. Second, you can generate awareness by using IIMAGINE. It's a platform for people that want to grow their business while having a positive impact on the world. You can grow your customers and social media followers by connecting with other people on IIMAGINE and cross-promoting your brand to each other's customers and followers. You can also find co-founders and sources of capital. The best part of this is that it's free and doesn't involve doing any work. Just create an account, upload a profile pic, enter a brief bio, select Grow My Photography Business, and check the boxes that match your objectives. Then let the algorithm match you with people that want to work with you. Your matches will show up in your inbox. There are also a lot of other things that you can do on IIMAGINE to grow your business and have a positive impact. Check out the links in the description. Third, if you decide that you want to implement any of the 100 ways to get customers for photographers, you'll need to have the website, landing pages, CRM, and other tools and automations required to convert as many of them as possible into paying customers. To help photographers have the best chance of success, I've created the Photography Growth Package. So what is the Photography Growth Package? I created a digital agency called IIMAGINE Digital so that we can provide everything that you see in my marketing videos. In order to succeed, you need three things: an advanced website with stunning design that addresses all of the 30 critical trust factors, advanced marketing strategies that increase awareness and conversion rates, advanced marketing tools that automate everything. The Photography Growth Package includes a 31-page website that's been set up for photographers with stunning design that addresses all 30 trust factors, everything you need for e-commerce, advanced marketing funnels, a fully featured CRM, ready-made email templates, and more than 100 automations pre-configured. We'll set up everything for you. You just need to add information about your business, then start acquiring customers. If you don't use advanced marketing strategies and you don't use automations, you'll be at a massive disadvantage because digital marketing simply takes too much time when you do it manually. Your business and your personal income depend on it. This is the best way for you to instantly address all of the trust factors, instantly have all of the automations that I mention in all of my videos, and have everything you need to execute the 100 strategies in my series about 100 ways to get customers for photographers. And you'll get all of this with the least amount of time, money, and effort. For most of you, the ability to have everything you need instantly set up and ready to go, so that you can get customers 100 different ways, will be the difference between success and failure. Check out the links in the description to learn more about it. In the meantime, if you do want to use your existing systems and tools, that's fine. I'm still going to give you my 100 best strategies, all outlined step by step for free in these videos. Just keep in mind that it will take more time and cost more money. I know I've discussed a lot of things in this video that might be new to you. If you know this is all very valuable, but you're in a hurry and you don't know what to do next, just subscribe to this channel and go to IIMAGINE and create a free account. It'll only take 30 seconds and we'll send you an email with a checklist about what you should do next. Then you'll have all the information you need and you can do it whenever the time is right for you. I've included links to everything in the description. I've also included links to related videos. As always, think about how you can grow your business in a way that has a positive impact. The best way to do it is with the IIMAGINE platform. I'll see you in the next video.